Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BizTools. Welcome to this update on our webinar program that we are presenting to keep business people informed of ongoing developments. Obviously, we've now got the coronavirus, which is causing significant problems, especially for those businesses that already had extreme problems from the climatic conditions of droughts, bushfires, floods, and cyclones that they had suffered during 2019 and 20, and obviously earlier in the case of farmers that were subjected to the problems from droughts. The government has announced a $17.9 billion package to assist businesses who suffering or will suffer from the problems with the coronavirus. The package has three major direct components affecting small and medium-sized enterprises. The first is a new instant asset write-off. The sum involved has been increased from $30,000 to $150,000. It applies from last Thursday and runs through to 30th of June 2020 and is applicable for businesses with turnovers up to $500 million. So if you've got some spare cash or borrowing capacity and you need some new assets in your business, it'd be a good idea to go out and have a good look at that and see what sort of deals you're able to negotiate. And the government will be grateful because they're really wanting this money spent so that it continues to create economic activity. The second initiative concerns apprentices. For businesses that have employment of apprentices that have less than 20 full-time equivalent employees, the government is going to give you a 50% subsidy towards the cost of the employment of your apprentice, up to a maximum of $7,000 per quarter per apprentice. The government hopes that that will encourage all small and medium-sized enterprises who have apprentices to continue to employ these young people in their roles. The third key initiative is a subsidy towards the cost of labour. The government is going to pay 50% of the PAYG tax liability for businesses with turnovers up to $50 million to a maximum of $25,000, covering the period March to June 2020. There will be a fourth benefit which will apply to all businesses, and that relates to the government's decision to make a one-off payment to all pensioners and Centrelink recipients of various types of pensions and payments. This will be made on the 31st of March. The government expects that that cost will be over $4 billion, and they anticipate that the vast majority of that money will be spent in the marketplace very shortly thereafter, thus contributing to a significant improvement, uplift in economic activity. The government is hopeful that these initiatives will assist business operators to be able to continue to operate your businesses during a period that is going to be very challenging for everyone involved. So good luck in that process. To help you get a better understanding of these initiatives that the government has introduced and how you may be able to ensure that your business survives, we have two special webinars that are going to be presented over the next 2 weeks. This coming Thursday, the 19th of March, we have a webinar that is primarily targeted at accountants and business advisors, but small businesses and medium-sized enterprise operators can attend if that's the only convenient time. That's at 11:30 a.m. AEST, 12:30 p.m. AEDT. To register, please go to www.essbiztools.com.au. We have a webinar that we're going to target the discussion completely to small businesses and medium-sized enterprises on Wednesday, the 25th of March at 11:30 a.m. AEST, 12:30 p.m. AEDT. To register, please go to our associated company's website, www.esssmallbusiness.com.au. Good luck with your endeavours as a business operator or a management team member or an accountant advising clients to work your way through the difficulties that are going to confront every business in this country and indeed probably the world during 2020. But still have a great day. Goodbye.